Hey everyone, Crexon here. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I've been on YouTube for about 12 years, but never actually posted anything until now. So today, I'm going to be going over how to apply the FlyBy Forte by CarPro. You can see it there. So this is a kit that I got online. There's so many other kits like this that are available, but it's just easier to get everything in one shot. So I'll kind of go through what's available in the kit and what it comes with. So first up, we have some suede towels. I think we get 2 of these. We get the CarPro Series glass. So this will be used to polish the glass. We get the CarPro eraser. So this will remove all the polishing oils and excess dirt. And then finally, of course, the FlyBy Forte. So this is what we're going to be applying on the car today. Apart from that, we get applicator pads to put it on. We get this polishing pad. I have an orbital polisher, so I'll probably use this to get the Series glass on, and then after that, buff it out with the polisher. And then you also get 2 hologram stickers, because maybe you want to put that on your butt. Okay, so let's get started. Just to kind of show you guys where I'm at right now. So this is my car. It's a BMW M235. It's my baby. I did a polish yesterday. Went over the paint, just a one-step correction. And then I clay barred my my windshield, so it should be clean. I left it in the garage overnight, so probably has a little bit of dust that I got to buff out. I'm not sure if you can see from these angles, but there is there are some light scratches. There's nothing crazy going on here. It's not hydrophobic at all anymore. It was when I first got the car, but yeah, so we're gonna just go through now, buff that entire part with the Series glass. We'll hit the sides too, because I think there's 15 milliliters. It should be okay. And then I'll probably do another coat on the front, and then just let it dry out for, I'll leave it in here probably for a few days, because I'm not gonna be using it this week anyway. And with winter approaching, I'm probably gonna park up the car for the rest of the winter. But so yeah. As I mentioned before, I gave the car a quick clean yesterday. Went over the glass with Mother's clay bar, and then I just parked it in the garage overnight. So now what we'll do is we'll go over the car with just a clean microfiber towel, make sure there's no dirt or dust left behind, and then we'll start applying the polish. So I'll just give it a quick wipe. Cleaned off my rear view mirrors. Quick wipe off the glass, make sure there's no dirt or dust. And then same on the other side. So just want to give it a quick clean. I mean, you just want to be in as much of a controlled environment as possible. So I think they don't recommend that you do this outside. And then you also want to leave it in a clean, dry place so it can cure. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the polish. So I got my Series glass. We're going to give it a good shake. And once again, I'm going to use this polishing pad just to get the initial bit on. So there's a couple of drops. So how I did it is just put in a few lines, just one line, and then we'll just start rubbing it on. Wow, and this is actually a lot more abrasive than I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna try to apply as much as I can right now, really quick. That's my brother, just getting some skippy dishes. Okay, so this stuff is drying up like crazy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm just going to put it straight on the applicator or my orbital polisher. And then what I'll do is I'll just apply it, buff it on, and then just run the polisher through. I think that's probably the quickest and the easiest way to do this because I guess because of the temperature, it's just drying on. Okay, so I'll be right back with my polisher. Hey guys, okay, so I gave the entire car a quick polish down. I used my orbital polisher for the front windshield, the top, and the rear glass. And then for the side view mirror and also the side windows, I just used the applicator pad that they provided. So now that that's done, the instructions do say for you to wash off with water. I don't want to take my car out and go through the entire washing process again because I just did it yesterday. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to give it, I have a damp, wet microfiber towel. So I'm just going to go over the car, give it a quick wipe, and then spray it down with some instant detailer if needed. Okay guys, so now I'm using the CarPro eraser. I'm just going to spray this on very liberally because I didn't use water to wash it off, just a damp towel. So we're going to spray on a good amount, make sure I don't leave anything behind. Oh, it smells really good actually. Was not expecting that smell. Okay, so just going to give it a nice wipe. Yeah, and the windshield is looking great. Nice and clean. Okay, let's go over to the other side. Okay, so my car is a few years old. There is obviously some small pitting where rocks have hit the windshield and so forth, so it will be a little bit difficult. We'll see how well the ceramic coating holds up, but for now, I mean, there is a couple of small pitting areas. So what we're going to do now is actually I'm going to just work section by section. So we're going to start off with the front windshield, and then I'll go over to the top, the side mirrors, and then we'll do the rear. Okay, so I took off the cap from the FlyBy Forte. There's a little top section that you have to cut off to kind of let it open, and then I have the applicator pad here. So what we'll do is we'll just kind of put on a few drops. Okay, that was a little bit more than a few, but and then we're just gonna put it on in a circular motion. Okay guys, so this is kind of the final product. I put two applications on the front windshield. I put one on the sunroof, one on the side, rear, and then I also was able to get this side view mirror, came around to the back. Lighting is super low here, but essentially I was able to go over the back as well and get that done. So one layer on every single one. And then 2 layers on the front, and I actually have a whole lot left over. I'm not sure if you can, yeah, there you go. So I actually have plenty of left over. I might just keep that for later. But I'll show you on my third and last kind of how I did the application, just so you have an idea. So that's the applicator, and then I just, you know, did about 6 to 8 drops. And then as you apply it, you'll see that it leaves like this, yeah, it leaves like a wet little bit residue, so you can see it, but it dries out like really fast. So you have to kind of get a good feel for how you're going through it, and then before you know it, like it starts practically applying on nothing. So you have to keep applying it. Like this is as far as I got. So I did 1 up, down, and then probably by like the half, I have to, at this point, I would probably go back, put on some more, and then just go 1, 2, and then around there, I would do it again and again and again. So that's kind of the process that I've been going through with this. So I'm just gonna finish this up really quick, and then I'll show you the final video. Finally done. It took a little bit longer than I was expecting, but with filming and everything, I'm not really that great at it. So yeah, I applied the coating to the front windshield, my sunroof, my rear windshield, both my mirrors, and also the passenger door windows. I don't know if I used too much or too little. I had quite a bit left over in the end, so I decided to just put all of that to use on the front windshield. And then I added a little bit to the wiper blades. Apparently it's okay if you do that. But yeah, so that's it. We'll let it cure. I'm probably gonna leave it in the garage for around 2 days, and then after that we'll go from there, and I'll upload a after video if you guys would like. But let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to subscribe. If there's any other specific videos that you would like me to make, please do let me know. And yeah, thanks everybody. Take care.